Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is the second time I've tried to do this video. The first time somebody tried to call me and it interrupted my video. So I have my paper pumpkin kit in from March and I'm so excited about it. It's a really cool kit. This is their 6-year anniversary kit and I love the box. It's got confetti and stuff all over it. It'd be a cute box to alter. So, I'm not going to lie, I did open it up on the first video, but I tried to put it back in the box just to show you what came in the box this time. And this is an awesome kit, y'all. So, we have, this is the free stamp set we got this month. Now, this is not the free one, but we got a free stamp set, everybody who got a March kit. This is the stamp set that came with it, and this is a birthday kit. So this is what the stamp set looks like. It says, it's your birthday. Oh, let's turn it up right. Let me see it. It says, today we celebrate you. It's your, and then it has birthday down here. And it has happy, and then it has a little candle and a little hat, and like little confetti stuff, little squiggles. Here is the free stamp set that we got, and I love this. I love the numbers the way they are. They have like little dots in them. So we got this number kit, and it has all the numbers plus ND, TH, ST, and RD. So you can like third, first, second, that kind of thing. And then the hashtag, and then it has the little balloon down here. But how cute is that? So that was free that came with the kit. And then in the kit, we get ink every month, and this is the Poppy Parade. It's a really pretty color. And then, let's see if I can get all of it in here and keep it in here. And then we get a little package of little supplies that you need. So we have double-sided tape. We have the little the little dots here, the little hexagon pop-up dots, and then we have some little glue dots that came with the kit. And then, of course, this was on the bottom, but it's on the top now. You get instructions, and this is what the cards look like this month. They're pop-up cards. How cool is that? So I'll share that with you in a minute. And, of course, you get envelopes for the cards every time. And I like to decorate my little envelopes, too. So you do get envelopes. And then this month we get these little cutout pieces to stamp your sentiments on. And they're already cut out for you. And then we get these little bright yellow banner pieces. Aren't these cute? So those come with. And then we get several pages. And I know it's going to be hard to see. This confetti color and this teal, real pretty teal blue. But if you can see on the back, these are punch outs and they're numbers. So you have these as well as the stamp set. And then it came with some red and white banners. And also some of these really light teal banners that we can stamp on. And then it came with bows and little party hats. You get 2 sheets of those. And I'm not sure what these are for yet, but it came with a couple of sheets of these, and they're birthday candles, and you punch them out. So, like, it came, like, this is a, and they have the sticky stuff on them, so this is for cards, and it already has the tape on it. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well, actually, you have little ones and big ones. So I'm not going to put the cards together today, but I will do this in the next few days. And then these are the card inserts, and I just think this is really cool. So you get the card inserts already. They have this style with the birthday presents on it, and this with a birthday cake on it. And these are pop-up cards. So, and they give you all the directions on how to do that. So you get those. And then here are the lovely card bases. So it's this beautiful gray and white stripe, and then this confetti color. And everything just coordinates really nice together. So this is a lovely kit. And what I love about these kits is it comes with a sturdy chipboard right here. And these are nice. These are about the right size to make a mini album or something out of. So I've been collecting those for the last several months. And so I'm going to make me an album out of them. But how pretty are these? It's just a gorgeous kit. And it comes with everything you need. Now, my Stampin' Up! Person is Miss Deb Hauk, who is Deb's Crafty Cottage here on YouTube. And if you love Stampin' Up!, you should go over there and check her out if you don't have a rep yet. She doesn't want to steal anybody away. But she's really sweet. Deb is a really sweet person, and she helps you out when you need it. If you need, help or advice on whatever on any of the things here, and she would appreciate the orders right now. So go over and check out any of her videos. All her information is always down below in the description box. And if I try to find her blog, I will put it on there in the things. But this is the card. Of course, you get instructions on how to do all the cards. And it's just wonderful. And you can just sit down and pop these right out. So I'm going to do a couple of cards, and then I'll show them to you when I get them done. But I'm really excited about the box this month. I have lots of birthdays coming up, so it could not have come at a better time. So, Miss Deb, thank you so much for introducing me to the Paper Pumpkin Kit. I am thoroughly enjoying my kits, and you get a lot of stuff for the value. These kits are $19.99 a month, and you just get a lot of things, and everything is worked out for you. Now, you don't have to do them the way that they send them. You can put your own flair on them or whatever, but I just think that it's a great value for what you get in the kit. And I love Stampin' Up! Products, too. So, I will try to put a link down below for Deb's, her channel and her Stampin' Up! Code for you. If you don't have a rep, please consider ordering from her. I know a lot of things are fixing to go out. The Occasion catalog, I think, ends in May, and there's some deals going on right now where some beautiful stamp sets and dies too that you get free with a $50 or $100 order. So go over and check that out. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you all later. Bye-bye.